Hey guys, Andy with Bar Chef's going to show you a real quick explanation of how to use the 44 key remote. Make sure you pull the little plastic tab that's normally down here first. Your remote will not work until you pull that safety tab out. Once you get it, you're going to have your brightness control up here in the top. This is going to be your power on off button. And this is going to be your pause function. When you use these bottom programs here, which are 3 and 7 color jump or 3 and 7 color fade, you just hit this to pause it on a color that you like. When you hit 3 color jump, it's just going to do that function right there. You use these speed controls to turn any of those down. Just hit slow or quick, depending on how fast you want it to change. 7 color jump is the same thing, just going to be a series of more colors. You see I got some yellows, purples, pinks added in now. I can also do the same with the 3 color fade, which is going to be, instead of an instant change, a fading change. I can use the flash function here to make it flash white. I can turn the speed up again and almost be like a strobe light. Auto is actually going to circulate through 3, 7 color jumps, 3 and 7 color fades, and into the flash mode and back and forth. That's kind of your sample mode, if you will. These DIY functions are pretty easy to use. You just hit one of the DIY commands and use these as RGB values to go up and down. So right now it'll start in white when I go to DIY 2, and I can take out the green and make it pink. I can take out the blue and it'll start eventually turning red. And you can hold that button in. There's a lot of little steps in there. So just use this as an RGB function. And once you got that set, that way you'll be able to control your bar on that color. If you have any more questions, let us know. You can get in touch with us at 865-973-1660 and check us out at barchefs.com for more information.